Have you ever wondered how some 3D printing businesses have managed to thrive in today's competitive landscape? In this eye-opening episode, we'll dive into the stories of three remarkable entrepreneurs who have turned their passion for 3D printing into thriving ventures. Get ready to be inspired and discover the secrets to their success. First up, let's meet Sarah, the founder of Customized Creations. After losing her job during the pandemic, Sarah decided to take a leap of faith and start her own 3D printing business. With a keen eye for design and a deep understanding of the technology, she began offering custom-made products to local customers. Sarah's business took off like wildfire as word of her high-quality 3D printed items spread through the community. From personalized home decor to custom-made toys, Sarah's products catered to a wide range of customers. She attributes her success to her willingness to listen to her clients' needs and her dedication to continuous learning. I was determined to master every aspect of 3D printing, from design to post-processing. It wasn't always easy, but the joy of seeing my customers' faces light up when they received their one-of-a-kind creations made it all worth it, Sarah recalls. Next, we'll introduce you to Michael, the visionary behind 3D innovations. Michael's journey started when he recognized the potential of 3D printing to revolutionize the manufacturing industry. He knew he had to be at the forefront of this exciting technology. Michael's story: with a background in engineering, Michael leveraged his technical expertise to offer 3D printing services to local businesses. He started small, but his attention to detail and commitment to quality quickly earned him a reputation as a reliable and innovative 3D printing partner. I remember the day when one of my clients called me, ecstatic about the prototype I had created for them. That moment showed me the true power of 3D printing, the ability to turn ideas into tangible solutions in a matter of hours, Michael says, his eyes gleaming with pride. Our final success story comes from Emily, the founder of 3D Creations. Emily's path to entrepreneurship was a little unconventional, but her passion for 3D printing and her unwavering determination have made her a true trailblazer in the industry. Emily's story: as a former art teacher, Emily saw the potential of 3D printing to open up new creative possibilities for her students. She started by integrating 3D printing into her classroom, and soon, her students' innovative designs caught the attention of local businesses. Emily seized the opportunity and launched her own 3D printing service, catering to clients who wanted to bring their ideas to life. It's been an incredible journey, watching my business grow from a small side project to a thriving enterprise. Every day, I get to help people turn their dreams into reality, and that's the most rewarding part of what I do, Emily shares with a contagious enthusiasm. These three inspiring stories demonstrate the power of passion, perseverance, and a deep understanding of 3D printing technology. If you're interested in taking your own 3D printing business to new heights, be sure to tune in to the next episode, where we'll dive into the essential tools and equipment you'll need to get started. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with all the latest insights and best practices for building a successful 3D printing venture. Who knows, your story could be the next one we feature. Ready to explore the world of 3D printing and take your business to new heights? Check out the 3D printers and accessories featured in the description below, and let's get started on your journey to entrepreneurial success. See you in the next video.